A very good morning all of you. Today I will deliver the last topic of quantum mechanics of BSc part 3 as unit 1. In our previous lecture we were expressing about various postulates of quantum mechanics in the series of contents of quantum mechanics of BSc part 3 and unit 1. Today I will deliver my lecture on particle in one-dimensional box. Another title of this topic can be named as determination of psi x is equals to root twice upon a sin n pi upon a into x. Let us say any equation that is of y equation. What does this topic of quantum mechanics message to us? To determine to us the determination, the calculation of any particle of, you may consider here as that is of electron. What is its mathematical value comes out, it will be defined obviously in this topic here. In other words, the value of wave function that is of psi x can be derived, can be defined by using any particle in two different cases, in two different figures. First one case is here in absence of electric field in such a position, the particle will be known as that is a free particle. I mean to say, what will be the role of, what will be the modification equation of Schrodinger wave equation. In case 1, it will be considered by drawing that is of a small box in 1D. In the case of that is of second, in presence of that is of electric field, what is the value of that is of psi? As you know, students are totally confused. What does this topic wants to say? Which value exactly we are going to find out, which value we are going to evaluate? It is depending upon the modification of Schrodinger wave equation by means of two important conditions. Case first, that is of in absence of particle will be known as free particles here. Case second, in presence of electric field. In both the cases here, we will change Schrodinger wave equation and we will determine the value of that is of psi x. This numerical value is the property of psi x of this one particle which are brought into that is of a small box and dip into that is of a large potential well. Let us discuss both the cases one by one by the standard equation of Schrodinger wave equation. As we know that from that is of, let us pick from case first. Let us firstly focus on case first. Schrodinger wave equation in 3D, delta squared side delta x square plus delta squared side delta y square plus delta square upon delta z square plus 8 pi square m upon h square into e minus v into psi is equals to 0. Equation number first one proceeding in that is of 3D. In that is of xd, I mean that is of as per title of 1D, I mean to say in one direction, that is of y is equals to z is equals to 0. This terms become is equals to 0. Rest quantity, we have delta square psi of x delta x square, and this quantity e minus v upon h square is equals to 0. Say that is of equation number 2. Now I am using here two types of the boxes here. First one box here and that is of second one box here. This box I am using as a small box here. Case first, figure 1 is showing, and that is of box second. I am using here as that is of large, that is of a potential well. Now we may study about this particle. What is the moment, what is the value of psi in a small box, and what is the value of this particle is brought dip into that is of large potential vector. It acts a small box, this one I am using here, a second one box I am using here. It acts in the absence of electric field, it acts in the presence of electric field, I mean that is a potential well. A small box, listen to me once again, a small box acts, that is of denotes here, in absence of electric field. Large box to act as that is of a potential well. First of all, in a small box here, this side, you know here that is of this side denotes here that is equals to x is equals to that is of 0, and this one x is equals to a. The shifting distance is measured by that is of x. Now this one I am mentioning here, I am keeping the small particle here, its mass that is of m. Once again, m, this small particle denote it's having the mass of m. Now I put down the small particle in this box having very small walls, x is equals to 0 to x is equals to a. It has shown that is of case first in that is of figure that is of 1 here. Now after removing this particle which was initially present into this small wood box here, now I am keeping, let us allow to, I am dipping here. I dip this particle into that is of under two huge that is of electrode here, huge large parallel electrode here. Now let us study here. What is the value of this particle? We have assumed as m mass, its momentum, its position, its value should be calculated by here. Since this particle is oscillating between two that is of parallel large wall, huge walls here, this side denotes x is equals to 0 shifting. After compression, the whole distance is expressed by that is of x is equals to that is of a. I mean to say that is of whole distance is measured by x is equals to a here. Now we apply here, we divide this large potential well into that is of 3 part here. First one part, second one part, and that is of third one part. This large parallel potential well is now divided into this one part. Right hand side it will be that is of I set down that is of first one part as I mentioned here, or this one part that is of I say second part, and middle part I code here, I say that is of third one part here. The boundary conditions for the first one part and that is of second one part will be the same here. I mean to say here that is of probability for finding out of the electrons outside the part 1 and outside the part 2 will be equals to 0 here. Everything will be 0 here. Psi is equals to 0, psi square is equals to 0. Probability for finding out, because you know here particle is present here inside of these large two parallel walls of the electrodes. So it is evident the probability for finding out of the particle which is present, which is oscillating between that is of 2. It will start from this one point, it will collide and run back into that is of backward direction. Moment of forward direction, backward direction, collision will be taken into account as depending upon that is of electric field also. So obviously it is evident that outside part 1 and that is of part 2, it's by every means regarding to psi square, psi square that is of detour will be expressed as 0. Similarly, same condition will be applicable in that is of part second here. But here, in this case here, psi will not be equals to that is of 0 here. Psi will not be equals to 0. What is the value of psi? After under the influence of electric field here, we will determine here, that was our motto here, by which that is of, you know, here this one particle m is moving. Once again, x is equals to 0, x is equals to a. Now let us apply a boundary condition, this one, that x is equals to 0 and x is equals to a, psi is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 denote means that is of towards my side, right hand direction, is equals to 0. Probability for finding out this one electron will be equals to 0. After crossing the shifting of x is equals to, that is of a, again psi becomes equals to 0, because there is no existence of the particle here. Inside here, you know, psi will not be equals to, that is of 0 here. I mean to say BC means that is a boundary condition. First one I apply on this potential system, x is equals to 0 and x is equals to a, psi is equals to 0. And second one, x is greater than here, x, you know, x is greater than, that is of, you know, here x is greater than 0 and is less than a, means psi will not be equals to, that is of 0. You know, here psi is equals to 0, x is equals to 0 and x is equals to a, but x between 0 to a, that is of psi a, will not be equals to, that is of 0. Here this value will be exactly will be equals to calculated here. So let us apply, that is of from equation number 2. Let us select here once again, x is equals to 0, psi is equals to 0, x is equals to a, psi is equals to 0, x is greater than, that is of 0 and less than, x is greater than, that is of 0 or less than a, psi will not be equals to 0, means it possesses some value which we are going to calculate here. Let us proceed here from equation number, that is of 2, in that is of x direction, delta square psi x plus delta square psi x, that is of psi x in regard of x direction here, where I am substituting here this one value, this one value, this one value, this whole value 8 pi square m upon h square is replaced by alpha square, this alpha square. Now trigonometric solution of equation number 3, as you have studied in your previous classes here, you have to write down directly here the trigonometrical condition of, that is of this one equation number, that is of 3, psi x a sin alpha x plus b cos alpha x. Say equation number 5. Now apply the first BC means boundary condition. Boundary condition, x is equals to 0 and that is of psi is equals to, x is equals to 0, psi is equals to 0. So psi x is equals to, that is of a sin alpha, that is of x. Psi x is equals to a sin alpha, b is equals to 0. So a sin alpha x plus that is of b cos alpha x here. Now we apply, that is of secondary, that is of boundary condition here. Secondary boundary condition here, x is, that is of greater than 0, a is less than x, that is equals to, here you know that is equals to, we obtain, that is of a sin, that is of alpha a. Also we apply here this one, after applying, that is of first boundary condition, x is equals to 0 and that is of psi x. So we have psi x is equals to a sin, that is of alpha x equals 0, or b is equals to, that is of, in this case, that is of 0 here. So you know that here, that is of, also it is applicable here, a sin alpha a is equals to 0 here. Compare equation number 5 and that is of, compare equation number 6 here, you know that is of this equation similar to, that is of this one. Also a sin n pi is equals to, that is of 0 here. Though compare here, that is of both, in that is of sums on squaring alpha square from equation number 4, alpha square, code down equation number 4 and that is of on squaring of this one value. A sin n pi is equals to, that is of this one value, alpha square is equals to n square pi square upon a, alpha is equals to n pi. By both the equation, this one equation, we compare 6 and that is of 7, 6 and that is of 7. The value of comes out, alpha is equals to n pi upon a, alpha square is equals to n square pi square upon a square. Now compare this one equation number 9, and that is of equation number that is of 4 we use here. Next, the derivation of the energy distribution of this last topic of quantum mechanics we will discuss, that is of tomorrow. Thank you very much.